NASA issues sudden alert as massive asteroid approaches Earth at alarming speed. Date: August 12, 2024. Location: Washington, D.C. NASA has issued an unprecedented alert regarding a massive asteroid on a collision course with Earth. The asteroid, designated 2024 QX5, has been tracked closely over the past 24 hours and is approaching at a frightening velocity. The space agency has heightened its monitoring and is coordinating with international space agencies to assess potential impacts and develop mitigation strategies. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory issued a sudden alert early today after detecting a significant increase in the asteroid's speed and trajectory changes. Initial observations suggest that 2024 QX5, with a diameter of approximately 1.2 kilometers, is closing in on Earth at an estimated speed of 90,000 kilometers per hour or 56,000 miles per hour.
According to Dr. Emily Rogers, an astrophysicist at JPL, the asteroid was initially flagged as a low-priority object, but recent data show that its path has shifted, placing it within a close proximity zone to Earth. We've observed rapid acceleration, which indicates that gravitational forces from other celestial bodies may be influencing its trajectory, said Dr. Rogers. The asteroid is currently projected to come within 500,000 kilometers of Earth, a distance considered very close in astronomical terms.
NASA has activated its Planetary Defense Coordination Office to address the situation. The office is working with international partners, including the European Space Agency and the Russian Space Agency, to develop potential response strategies. The primary focus is to monitor the asteroid's trajectory and refine predictions about its closest approach. NASA reassured the public that while the asteroid's approach is concerning, current data indicates that a direct impact is unlikely. The space agency is preparing to issue regular updates and will convene a press briefing later today to provide more detailed information.
Our priority is to ensure that we have accurate data and effective response plans in place. We are working around the clock to monitor the asteroid and mitigate any potential risks.
The sudden alert has sparked a flurry of activity within the scientific community. Researchers are analyzing the asteroid's composition and potential impact effects.
This is a significant event that underscores the importance of ongoing asteroid monitoring. We must remain prepared for all possible scenarios.
In response to public concern, NASA has launched a dedicated webpage and hotline to provide updates and answer questions from the public. Media outlets are advised to rely on official NASA statements for accurate information and to avoid spreading misinformation. As the situation develops, NASA and its international partners will continue to monitor 2024 to QX5 closely. The space agency is committed to transparency and will provide updates as more information becomes available. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, checking NASA's official website or reputable news sources is recommended.